I've been super self-conscious about my face since about high school. So I'm hoping that I can get more of a contouring look.
I'm doing fillers today because I want to get rid of the black circles under my eyes.
I am getting fillers in my cheeks and along my jawline. Skincare, beauty, it's something that you can kind of dabble with. Being in your 30s, you kind of look at skincare and aging in a new way.
My face, I feel like, is super round. I am really self-conscious about my chin.
Very tired of people asking me questions like, did you sleep last night? You look very tired. When in fact, it's just my face.
I'm hoping that the results will kind of accentuate my jawline a little bit more.
A few of my friends that have gotten it done told me that it's pretty painless.
People are coming now to get injectables so they don't have to have surgery. They don't have to go under the knife. It's a very relatively simple procedure. It takes 10 to 15 minutes. As we get older, we lose the elasticity in our skin. We lose the collagen in our skin. All I have to do is take my own face and go like this. This is what I'm gonna look like in 10 years. That's sad, isn't it? We now have injectables to lift the face, give you back that youthful look. I think injectables are all about contouring. You want that perfect shaped face. We're going to do a whole host of injectables. We're going to use hyaluronic acid mostly, and hyaluronic acid is the substance that most of our skin is made up of. So that's what we're going to do today.
I'm super excited for the results.
I am a little nervous, but I'm more excited and I want to see how my face will look.
So I'm going to start on the upper part of your cheek. So we're gonna give you a little lift on your cheeks and bring your chin out.
Am I allowed to close my eyes for like the first one?
Yeah.
This is going to give you a nice lift. And right in the middle is going to be your area that we really want to focus in on. And I'm just going to make a couple little dots where I'm going to be injecting underneath your eye.
Oh, it's actually not bad.
It's not bad. What we've done here is fill in a little where she was losing some of the fullness. You can see on this side, it's flat. You can see the difference. See how high that side is now? Big difference. We're puffing it out a little, but we're lifting. The key is the lift. Okay, we're going into the chin. I'm using the exact same amount on this side as I did on the other. You can participate. Take your hand, hold, okay? I'm injecting into her chin as well. We're going to now just go around your chin area, and the very last thing we'll do is underneath your eyes. I think we're basically done. Lifted your cheeks, gave you more definition around your jawline.
We're done?
We're done.
Yay! Oh my god, this actually looks very nice.
Looks amazing. It kind of changes the shape of my face. I love it.
My cheeks are so like filled, like pushed off.
Yes, I definitely noticed a difference right away.
I just got filler on my face and I feel amazing. I feel so contoured.
I feel great, but I can see how my face looks more healthy and rested.
I would definitely recommend this to other people. It's not that painful. It was definitely worth it.
It's not permanent and it's not very painful. I would definitely try again. I feel great. I really like the way my face looks.
I would 100% do the cheeks again. Whoever tells you not to do it, do whatever you want. Just rock it. I just love the way I look. I'm happier. I feel more confident.